When people are thinking of building their dream homes, they think about building huge mansions with amazing living rooms and an out-of-this-world bedroom with a walk-in closet and all. However, the case is different for car enthusiasts and collectors. All these guys think about is building a garage that brings out their awesomeness, or a garage that just showcases their amazing cars. Some even go a little overboard and build a garage that they can see when they are in the living room. Yes, they are real, but what are these garages like? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to have a look at some of the world's most luxurious car garages that exist. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. With that said, let's go see some creativity that exists out there. Starting off is a house around the garage. You may think that we are joking, but that is exactly what it is. The garage is a true definition of a car enthusiast, especially those whose daily activities are centered around cars. Unlike most people who build their dream homes and then fix the garage in a corner of a house, the owner of this garage decided to build a garage and then fit the house in a corner of the garage. The house comes with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Well, considering the garage that is there, who would need a guest room here? The house is worth $4 million and it comes equipped with about 16 luxury cars. What is spectacular about this garage is that the cars are placed inside glass display panels. This was a nice idea because from the comfort of your living room, you could just look and admire your collection. Located in Washington, this Bellevue mansion has a very nice interior with a nice woody touch. The cushions and blankets all have the Ferrari logo on them. In addition, it has a personal gym. Well, the owner needs to keep fit to drive these cars and handle them perfectly. Next up is Jay Leno's Garage. Everyone knows who Jay Leno is, but for those who do not know him, Jay Leno is one of the most loved talk show hosts. He's a very fun guy and an amazing writer too. However, what most people do not know is that he is a very big car enthusiast with one of the best garages in the world. His garage has all types of cars, from classics to supercars like the McLaren P1, from vintages to sports cars. Once you get into his garage, it's all classic cars and flashy designs. In his collection is what many regard as the original supercar. Yes, the 1969 Lamborghini Miura S. This garage, located in Burbank, California, happens to be Jay's favorite room. When he first got it in 1991, it was only 17,000 feet. Currently, it is as big as 122,000 feet. Jay loves this garage so much that he decided to create a whole show around it called Jay Leno's Garage. It mostly airs on CNBC on Wednesdays. Under the roof of this garage are 150 cars and 117 motorcycles. And in case you are wondering, yes, he drives them all. He parks his cars in a specific order, like all the steam cars in one part of the garage, all the cars from the 1950s in another part, and so on. When Jay is free, he mostly decides to go to his garage and work on the cars. This is one of the craziest garages there are. Next up is Ralph Lauren's Garage. When it comes to fashion, you can rely on Ralph Lauren Corporation to deliver the best fashion for you, your family, and your kids. In addition to being recognized for his fashion line, he has also gained recognition for his rare collection of cars, some of which have even been on display in museums. From classic cars to the latest modern cars, he has them all. Sometimes, the fashion guru describes all these cars as being part of him. He also thinks of cars as works of art. That is a man who clearly appreciates history a little too well. As much as Ralph's Garage has a lot of exotic cars, it is also up to date with the latest cars on the market. If this garage could be described in 3 words, they would be technology, mechanics, and sophistication. This is all because of the cars that are in the garage. Ralph's Garage has about 100 vehicles, maybe even more. Among these vehicles, some are extremely rare. Among the cars, he has a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO, 2 Ferrari TRs, and 3 1996 McLaren F1s, one of which is super rare, the McLaren F1 LM. In addition, he has a rare Lamborghini Reventon Roadster and a Bentley blower. If Ralph's Garage was to be given an estimate, it would be at least $350 million. Imagine owning all of these classics. He is so proud of his collection that during the New York Fashion Show in 2017, he introduced his new clothing line in the presence of these priceless cars. Ralph is truly a car guy, and he loves his collection. Doug Perry has one of the largest drivers' clubs in Seattle. He built a garage that has a surface area of about 68,000 square feet. It is capable of holding at least 150 cars in there, maybe even more than 150. The door itself can't tell you more about his garage as it costs $20,000 and opens up super fast. However, not all the cars that are in his garage are owned by Doug. He gives the members of the Drivers Club a chance to display their cars in this garage. They can just come and park their most awesome cars there and leave them there. And believe me, the cars that you will find there are the true definition of awesomeness. The garage mostly hosts exotic car owners from Seattle and the rest of the United States. However, before you can display your car there, you have to be a member first. You first have to apply for a membership, and once you are accepted, you can display your car there. You also get the chance to share experiences with other car owners and exchange ideas. In addition to these, you also get the benefit of attending some of the car events organized by the club. Once you are a member, you can get some privileges. For example, you can get access to a variety of tools if you want to fix something in your car, and you can even fix up the car in the garage. Within the garage, there are also some places where you can just go and relax, have a few beers with other car owners. Tom Gonzalez decided to build a mansion and, along with it, an out-of-this-world garage. You will be amazed at the kind of garage this guy has. Having millions in the bank can give you the chance to be as creative as you want. For $30 million, Tom Gonzalez decided to build an underground garage. And not just that, but it is capable of holding more than 30 cars. There is an elevator for accessing the underground parking. Tom is a real car enthusiast and a freaking genius. The elevator is not like any other. The top of the elevator lies flat on the ground. He would have to tell you that there is an elevator there or you would not know it. It looks like something Batman would have. The hydraulics of the elevator are so powerful that they can lift 2 tractors and an RV at the same time. And if you think that the underground garage is all Tom has, then you are wrong. He loves cars too much that he decided to build another garage in the yard that could hold up to 15 cars. This is a very perfect example of a car enthusiast. And before we forget, the underground garage has another small elevator just for motorbikes. This is an awesome idea, and it even offers maximum security, because how would you know that there is an underground garage? These are just some of the most awesome garages that there are, owned by the real car enthusiasts out there. Some garages are to die for. Their uniqueness, capacity, and even design are just things that display the passion of the owners. So what do you think of these garages? Are there any garages that you would like to see featured in later videos? Let us know in the comment section below. Also remember to leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and hit the bell button for notifications on new videos. Until next time, take care.